Yes, my parents said, after I've done walking my fish, I can finally download Roblox. So let's sign up OFC. Let's do my fake birthday for joke. Oh no. Okay, okay. I think this is how you spell princess. Okay, Princess X. Slay. Amelia. Let's do Princess Emily. Finally, my password. Let's. Password.
Password now.
Should I say the password? Slay, of course. That's my avatar. Let's fix it up, notch.
Let's do a shopping spree.
Let's go. And yeah, here. We're done. Like we're done. Let's play game. Okay. Let's play TOH.
2,000 years later.
One move. What happened to my avatar? What happened to my avatar? What happened to my avatar? How? I'm frozen. How do I move? How did I move? Oh, yay. Done. Move. Now what? Oh, I have to play. So as. This game is so easy. Wait. How do I jump? Oh, okay. We okay? Good. Okay. Never mind.